Hi all my TCW children and families. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's Miss Madison and I'm here with a craft video for you guys. Today we're going to be making puppets. I made a unicorn and a puppy, but you guys can make whatever you want. So let's get right to crafting. First, you guys are going to need some supplies. For the actual puppet itself, you can use a paper bag or even a sock will do. And then I have some markers. You can use crayons, some glue you're gonna need, scissors, construction paper, tissue paper, glitter, pipe cleaners, whatever you guys have around the house will be good for the puppets. Then I cut out the shapes that are needed to make whatever animal I want or whatever character or person you are going to be making. Get creative. Lastly, I glued all my pieces onto my paper bags to make the puppets, and they're done. Alright guys, I can't wait to see your finished puppets. When you guys are done with your puppets, you can even put on a little show for your family members to see. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did making these puppets. Thank you for watching. Bye!